Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription. Then I will guide you step by step to ensure you can smoothly and efficiently end your Shopify plan, whether you are choosing another store or just exploring another one. So make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to deactivate your store for the lifetime. So let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then guys, on the bottom hit on settings. Then guys, I will show you how easily deactivate your Shopify store. Then on the top, select the plan section on the top. Then as you see guys, you can easily change the plan for choosing, for example, this one, change it for another one Shopify plan, or the pro plan or the advanced plan. Or you can, if you want to deactivate your store for the lifetime, just deactivate on the bottom. Then hit on deactivate store, then select directly the third one, deactivate your store for now, and come back when you are ready. Your stores and information will be reminded in for 2 years. Then guys, deactivate your store. Before you go, you have to an outstanding balance and cancel any wanted subscriptions and save any needed, and look into step to take before deactivate your store for more information. Then hit on understand that I will be charged. First guys, you need to charge everything on your Shopify. Then hit on continue. Then guys, what the main reason you are closing this store? Then select switch reason. For example, just add another reason. Then for example, just tap another reason, other reason again. Then go back and hit on continue. Then guys, after deactivate your store, you will not be longer have access to Shopify admin. Then guys, just hit on select store my payment details for easier store reopening. Then hit on deactivate. Then automatically it will be charged everything in the Shopify needed. Then automatically your account, it will be deactivated for the lifetime. After, you can easily just activate it with another plan. Then guys, this is the only method to deactivate your Shopify store with the simple process. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.